Hi friends, welcome back to another new video, and today I'm going to tell you how you can manage the phone calls of your phone, obviously, from your computer. Now many people are there, uh, they don't have charge in their phone, or they do most of the work in their computer and don't use their phone much, so they might be thinking to manage their phone calls, receive their phone calls, and make phone calls, receive notifications and messages directly on their computer. Now, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do all these things. Now, to receive and manage make phone calls on your computer, you need a Bluetooth connection between your phone and your computer. Now I don't have a Bluetooth connection from my phone with my phone and my computer, so I will not able to show you how to make and receive phone calls. But the thing you have to do is you have to just connect your computer and your mobile using Bluetooth. Then you can do anything you want. You can access your photos, you can access your messages, you can access your notifications, everything directly from your computer. You don't need your phone. So let's start and let's see the how to do this. And here we are using one application, and it is the application that is a verified application of Microsoft. You can get it on it's already present in your computer, I'm sure, but if it's not updated, go to your Microsoft store and update that. The next procedure I will show you on my computer screen. Let's go there. So to do this, first search for your phone. This is the application through which we will do this task. Open that. Now if this application is updated, then no problem, but if this application is not updated, here you will get one option to update. Click on that. You will be redirected to Microsoft Store. From there you have to update this application. Mine is already updated. So then after updating, open the app, and what you do is you have to choose the kind of your phone. If it is Android, choose Android. If it is iPhone, choose iPhone. In my case it's Android, so I will click on that and I will click on continue. Then you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So what you have to do is click on sign in with Microsoft. If you have already signed in anywhere else, so choose that, or you have to sign in by giving your email ID and your password. And if you don't have one account, you have to create one. Okay, so I have this account, so I will click on continue. So it's now getting the alright. So here it's telling me to go to this website on my phone. So after going to that website, you have to download your phone companion. It's one application that you have to download in your mobile phone. So let me download it first. And on my phone, this is the application that I have installed, your phone companion. You can just search this on your Google Play Store. Then I will open that, and on my computer I will click on yes, I finished installing your phone companion, and then click on open QR code. So I will open that. So it will take some time, and here it's given. Now on your mobile, click on is there a QR code on your PC. then click on allow and then scan this QR code. Now click on continue and allow everything, and click on continue and click on allow, and then click on done on your PC. Now click on allow and click on done and click on allow, and there it is. So I will get started, skip, and here you can see everything on your calls. I will get started. So you will need Bluetooth feature for calling on your PC, but I don't have Bluetooth. So what you have to do is that is connect your PC and your phone using Bluetooth, then only you can do that. Okay, here you will get notifications by opening settings on phone. Here you can get the messages, here you can get the photos and these things. So this you can do this very easily. So you saw how easy that was to do. So like this you can easily manage, make your phone calls, receive phone calls, get your pictures, everything, notifications, messages, everything on directly on your computer. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, click on that like button below, share this video with your friends who require this video actually, and also subscribe my channel with the bell icon. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.